Hello, everyone. Welcome to Spark English. Today, we will learn English in a very normal place.
A place we go to every week.
Yes, the supermarket. In this lesson, you will hear simple and natural English used in real life.
We will talk slowly and clearly so you can understand every sentence.
You will learn how to find items, ask for help, talk about food, and pay at the checkout.
All with easy English for beginners.
Before we start, please like this video.
And subscribe to Spark English.
Your support is a big motivation for us to make more slow and useful English lessons.
Now, take a deep breath.
Relax, listen, and learn English with us.
Let's go to the supermarket.
We arrive at the supermarket. The building is bright and full of light.
I smile a little. I actually enjoy coming here.
Really?
Yes, it feels familiar. It feels easy.
People are walking in with shopping bags.
Some people walk fast. Some people walk slowly, like me.
The automatic doors open.
I step inside and feel the cool air. Ah, that feels nice.
At the entrance, there are shopping carts and shopping baskets.
I don't need many things today. I take a basket. It's light and easy to carry.
Good choice.
If I buy more later, I can always change to a cart.
I stop for a second and look around.
I like this moment, before shopping really starts.
Do you already know what you want to buy?
Yes, mostly. I have a small shopping list on my phone.
What's on the list?
Milk, eggs, bread, some vegetables, and fruit. Nothing fancy, just everyday food.
That's perfect for learning everyday English.
Exactly.
The supermarket is clean and well organized.
I like that. It makes shopping less stressful.
There are signs above each aisle.
Yes, they help a lot. I see vegetables, fruit, bakery, dairy.
Where do you want to go first?
Let's start with vegetables. Fresh food always makes me feel good.
All right.
I take a deep breath, hold my basket, and walk forward.
Shopping begins.
Let's find our first item.
We walk into the vegetable section. The colors are bright: green, red, yellow, orange.
I always like this area. It feels fresh and alive.
There are many kinds of vegetables here.
Yes, sometimes a little too many.
You stop and look around.
I do. I'm looking for tomatoes.
But there are different tomatoes.
Exactly. Big ones, small ones, cherry tomatoes. I laugh softly.
Why are you laughing?
Because I only need one type, but my brain starts thinking too much.
That happens to everyone.
I pick up a pack of cherry tomatoes. They look fresh, bright red and shiny.
You check them carefully.
Yes, I make sure none are broken.
You put them into the basket.
One item done.
What's next?
Onions.
We walk a little farther.
I see white onions and red onions. I usually choose white onions. They're easy to cook.
You take a few and put them in a plastic bag.
I tie the bag slowly.
Next, you look for carrots.
Yes, but I don't see them.
You stop walking.
I look left. I look right. Where are the carrots?
This is a good moment to ask for help.
Yes, I see a supermarket staff member nearby. I walk over and smile politely.
Excuse me, where can I find the carrots?
The staff smiles back. They are in aisle 3 near the lettuce.
Oh, thank you so much.
No problem.
Asking for help feels nice. People are usually kind.
We walk to aisle 3.
And there they are, fresh carrots lined up neatly.
You look relieved.
I am. Mission complete.
You put the carrots into your basket.
The basket is getting heavier, but in a good way.
You check your list again.
Milk and eggs are next.
That means we're going to the dairy section.
Let's go.
We walk toward the dairy section. It suddenly feels colder here.
Yeah, I can feel it on my arms. I always forget how cold this area is.
The refrigerators are everywhere. Milk, yogurt, cheese, all lined up neatly.
I stop right away. This is my favorite and least favorite part.
Why least favorite?
Because there are too many choices. I just stand here and look at the shelf.
What are you looking for?
Milk. But which one should I get today?
There's whole milk, low-fat milk, and non-dairy milk too.
I reach out and take one bottle. Then I stop. I put it back.
You changed your mind?
Yeah. I suddenly remember I still have some milk at home.
So what do you do?
I choose a smaller bottle. It feels safer.
You check the label.
Always. I look at the expiration date very carefully.
You seem serious about it.
Fresh milk matters. I smile when I find a fresh one.
You put it into the basket.
Slowly. I don't want it to fall.
Next item on the list?
Eggs. I walk over a little more carefully now.
You sound careful.
I am. I open one egg carton. I check each egg one by one.
No cracks?
No cracks. Good eggs today. That makes me happy.
You close the carton.
And place it gently into the basket.
What else do you notice?
Yogurt. So many flavors. I take a strawberry one. It feels like a small treat.
Nice choice.
I think so too. Now the basket feels full and a little heavy.
Sounds like you're almost done.
Yes. Next stop, the bakery section.
We walk toward the bakery section. The air feels warmer here.
Oh, I can smell bread already. It smells so good.
Fresh bread is just out of the oven. You slow down.
Yes, I always slow down here. I look at the shelves and smile without thinking.
What do you see?
So many choices. White bread, whole wheat bread, sweet bread, and some pastries too.
You reach for one loaf.
I do. Then I pause. I check the price.
You're comparing?
Yes. This one looks good, but it's a little expensive.
So you look at another one.
Exactly. I pick up a different loaf and read the label. Same size, almost the same ingredients. I turn to you and ask, which one is cheaper?
I check the price tags. This one is cheaper.
Really? Then I choose this one. It feels like a small win.
You put it into the basket.
Carefully. I don't want to crush it.
Anything else?
I look at the sweetbread. Just for a second. I tell myself, only one.
Just one treat?
Yes. I pick a small one, not too big. I feel happy already.
The basket is almost full now.
Yes. I take a deep breath. I think we're ready to check out.
And now our supermarket trip comes to an end. Today, you listened to real English used in a real place.
Simple words, simple sentences, but very useful in daily life.
You learned how to look for items, compare prices, and pay at the checkout.
These are things we all do every week.
So don't worry if it feels slow. Slow English helps your brain relax and remember more.
Try to listen again. Repeat the sentences out loud. Even 1 minute a day is enough.
Now we want to hear from you. What do you usually buy at the supermarket?
Do you like fruit, bread, or snacks? Leave a comment below.
We read every comment and cheer for you on your English journey.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video.
And subscribe to Spark English. Your support is a big motivation for us to keep making slow, clear, and useful English.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Take your time, enjoy the process.
See you in the next lesson here on Spark English.